Hello friends, my name is Nikhil and I welcome you back to the Phone Darshan channel. In today's episode of Phone Darshan, I am going to tell you that how you could delete your Gmail account using your iPhone, Android phone, Windows laptop or your Mac. And also friends, I am going to show you this tutorial on Google Chrome web browser. So on your phone or on your computer, you can open Google Chrome web browser and follow the steps exactly as I am showing you here. The steps will remain same irrespective of the devices being used. Subscribe to Phone Darshan channel and click on this bell icon to receive the latest technology information. So friends, as you could see on my screen that I have opened the Google Chrome web browser. Now let us go ahead and turn on the incognito mode. Friends, here I am going to turn on the incognito mode in Google Chrome so that accidentally some other Google account of yours doesn't get deleted. When you open the incognito mode, then by default it will open just like a fresh Google Chrome and it will not remember any of the other saved Google's accounts. So let us go ahead and turn on the incognito mode. In order to turn on the incognito mode, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now click on the menu label named New Incognito Window. So here the new incognito window has been opened now. Now we will type in the address to get into the Google's account. So here type accounts.google.com. As you could see in the address bar, I have typed accounts.google.com. Now press enter. Now you have to first log into the account that you are wishing to be deleted. So I am going to enter the username of the Gmail account that I am going to delete. After entering the email ID, click on next button. Now I am being asked to enter the password. So enter the password of the Google account. After entering the password, click on next. Now, after successful sign in, you will be shown the accounts page of your Google account. On this page, you could change various settings that are related to your Google's account. On the left hand side, you will see that there are many other menu options which could be used to set up your account and privacy. So in this menu item, click on the menu item named Data and Personalization. Now after this, a new page will open. On this page, please scroll down. Now here you will see an option called Delete a service or your account. And the explanation says that you can do this if you no longer use a service or your account. So we have to click on this setting option. Now here the first thing that you see is delete a Google service. Now when you are using YouTube, that is a Google service. When you are using Google Photos to backup your photos and videos, that is another Google service. And similarly, Gmail is also a Google service. So if you only want to delete Gmail, but you wish to keep using the other services, in that case you have to go and click on this option, delete a service. So since this is a potentially destructive activity, the Google is now asking us to confirm our password again. So I have entered my password again and clicked on next. Now here, since I am only using the Gmail account, I do not have any other account of Google Photos, or I am not using other services like YouTube for this account. Hence I am being shown only one service here, which is Gmail. Now if I was using other services as well, I would have been shown other options for those services here also. So this option, what this option is going to do is, if I click on the delete button, which is right here, then it will only deactivate my Gmail account. If I am using my Google account for other purposes like Google Photos, Google Documents, Google Sheets, YouTube, Google Notes, so my data and settings for those services will not be deleted. I will still be able to use those services. Now there is another option to delete your entire Google account. For example, if you do not wish to use any of your services and if you wish to entirely clean your Google account, then there is another option. Let me go back and show it to you once again. Delete a service or your account. And the second thing is delete your Google account. When you click on this option will delete your entire Google account. That means that everything related to your Google account and all of the services all will be deleted at once, and all of your data will be erased along with your Google account. And after that you will not be able to log in with that account again. So let us go to the second option called delete your Google account and click on the button named delete your account. Now I will have to enter my password again. Google is asking me to confirm my password. Next. Now this is the final page of deleting my Google account. Here Google has shown me the final notice which is saying that you are trying to delete your Google account, which provides access to various Google services, and you will no longer be able to use any of those services, and all of your account and data will be lost. Here Google is also giving us an option to download our data before deleting the account. Now here, since I am using my Google account only for Gmail, I am not registered for other services, I am being shown only Gmail account here. Now before clicking on the delete account button, we will have to click on these two checkboxes. Now you have to click on delete account. Now the final confirmation box has appeared which says that your Google account and all its data has been deleted. Now you are also getting one more message here which says that if you accidentally deleted your Google account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. So friends, if your account suddenly gets hacked or somebody deletes your Google account, then still you are provided a little amount of time so that you could recover your deleted Google account also. So in that case, you have to go to the account support. So by contacting the Google's customer service, you can also recover your deleted email account. So that's it friends for today. If you like this video, then please click on the like button which is right below this video. It really encourages me. And if you are new to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button which is also right below this video. Also, in order to receive the notifications when I upload a new video, please click on the bell icon which is right beside the subscribe button. Thank you friends. Have a great day ahead.